Hey guys, this is the Minecraft Gamer. Welcome back to my video. And today I'll have a two trap to your friend. And I'll show you how to make it. So the first trap is the piston trap. The piston trap is the trap that you can trap more your friend. And when he went there and he stepped pressure plate, lifting piston and imprisoned him out, he does not come out. So let's try if it's working. Like this. Oh, what? What the heck? I do not come out. Why? 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 So let's try in the villager. Let's try in the villager now. If it's working. Yes, just like that. Oh. Oh my god. I'm not winging. Oh. It's break. What the heck? I do not break that. Oh my god. Just like that. So it's working now. Oh, how can I out? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. How can I out her? Oh my gosh. So I'll show you how to make it right now. So the first thing we need is piston and pressure plates. So break the grass block just like this. Square. Square. Okay. So just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Oh, one more. Just like that. And when you finish it, let's put a piston here, just like this. Oh, do not. Oh my god. Just like this. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Just like this, and piston, 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 and output planks, and piston, 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 and block, output planks, and piston. So if you finish it, put a hey output planks just like this, and just like this, just like that, and just like when you finish just like this, let's put more just like this, just like this. When you finish, let's put a stone pressure plates, any kind of pressure plates, but I can use a stone just like that. And when you put a spawn villager on the middle, just like that, when she walk out, when he step out of the pressure plate, she not come out because she imprisoned. The second trap is the chest. when he opened this chest, just like this, oh my god, and oh my god, why is not working? Ow, I'm not remembering. Oh, what the? But why? Why is not working? Oh my goodness. Let's try. Let's try a redstone repeater. This 1, 2, 3, just like this. Let's try if it's working. 1, 2, 3, and bam! She died just like. Oh my god! Break! The piston trap is break. Oh my god! So I will teach you how to make it right now. So how to make it? This is the first thing we need. A trap chest and redstone repeater, and also the TNT. Hey, what's happening? I can touch you. Oh my god. What the? Hey! Okay. Oh my god. I'm so angry now. What the fuck? Hey. Break this like this and put a chest just like that, and break this and this, and also this, this, this 3 layer on the bedrock, into the bedrock. So let's break this just like this, and put a TNT. Oh my goodness, why I can touch TNT? Oh my god. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, just like that, and covered up a oak wood planks just like this, and put a redstone down on the chest, and put a redstone repeater 1, 2, 3, and covered up. And when you have a diamond, put a diamond in the chest, just like. Oh my god, I cannot remember again. When you just like this, and now put a redstone repeater 1, 2, 3, and covered up. When he opened the chest, just like this, and diamond in. Oh my god, she died when she's not out of this chest. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So, thank you for watching this, and remember, like and subscribe. Bye.